Key of the customer is broken. I'm gonna find out. Key of the customer doesn't turn on. First thing we wanna do is to make sure we have internet. We need the XP400. We need to find the Mercedes. We press on it. We turn on for blanket. Automatic selection. Okay, we got the VIN. Yes. Now we need to find out what year. It's 2009. We do out function. Okay, now in order for me to make the key, I will have to use a G-box. It's kind of more easy. Some of the Mercedes you can do by your OBD. Some of the Mercedes you will have to take the whole EIS out. With this one we will have to use a G-box, and we have diagramma that we're supposed to do. So we're gonna start. We have the G-box. Let's go from here to here. We have cable K7 P2. Cable P2. P2. The P2. As you can see, P2 connect K line. So cable P2, I don't know if you can see it here. It doesn't say it. It says go to K7. We plug it in, and then we need to take this cable out. I don't know if you can see it, but I will try to show. Over here, there is a little cable. As you can see, I took it out. Okay, it's a little bit dark. I will give some lights that you can see. That's the cable. It was connected right here. To the left, we took it out. And now what we're supposed to do, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connectors. We will have to connect it to the first one. So what we're going to do, it's a little bit tight here. We'll take the chair down and back. We're gonna take the cable and plug it in. Okay, this step we're done. Now you also require us and then to do 2 connectors. We do exactly like you're supposed to do, exactly like the diagram. Okay, so I need to take the G-box again to look on the diagram this way, and then we have this cable that goes right here, and we have this cable that goes right here. Now we can connect the G-box to the OBD. You can see we connect it with the noise. Now computer ask to connect the fuse on the fuse box to F29. That is sitting usually right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 from the top. What we do, we take it. This is no good. The 3 from the right. This one not fit. You need to remember to plug it in. So we're gonna put it here that we're not going to forget. We're gonna plug this one right here. And basically, we do anything we're supposed to do. We connect the K7, connect those connectors. We plug it to the cable that's called K line. We plug the fuse. And we can start the process. Hey, can I call you back? Now basically, the computer asks us, please insert the blank key into the IR keyhole on the programmer. So we take the key, we put it in. Now, the XP400 start to communicate with the key. As you see, it's flashing. Okay, and it's success. Now the computer asks us if we have the password. Usually when you do a car, you keep the password. I never worked on this car before, so I don't have the password. Press OK to password calculation. Press OK. Now we do begin. And the process start. Please follow instructions. Okay. Connect the device OBD and the OBD to the connector and the wire harness. Okay. We start the process to get the password. Connect the IR key simulator. Basically, you need to connect it here to the XP400. It's called APB 125. Okay, we do what the computer asks. Okay, basically you must to be very listening for the computer to do exactly what he say. Insert the IR key. Now we are in the process. It takes 10 to 90 minutes. Key simulator is supposed to be in the EIS. Okay, usually it takes longer, sometimes it's short time. Now you just wait, you not touch nothing, and you make sure your battery voltage is all the time good. Alright, thank God, after almost 2 hours we got this password. I will take a picture for memory in case the customer need a key again. Password calculation complete. Now basically the computer start to generate the key. Please insert the key. Please insert the blank key into the IR keyhole and programmer and press OK. Is already there. Now we basically start to flashing. Here write this key of the Mercedes. Writing key file. All key loss completed. After pressing OK, check if the new key can be used normally according to the instructions. Insert the new key into the EIS and see if you see a red light. Right here you're supposed to see a red light. I don't know if you can see it. Remove this one really quick because on the programming what I do, I disconnect this cable. So this cable must go back. Now we can try and test the key again. Amazing. Ignition got released and ignition is open. Voila. Okay. Turn the ignition on to check if the vehicle can start. Voila. Okay. Amazing. And now we're gonna test the key. Voila. We open the trunk and all the tools almost fly. Amazing. Now since we have already one working key, to make the second one going to be much more easier. So this key is working, battery is good. Let's start with the second key. I'm gonna do add a key on vehicle. Yes. I'm gonna do begin. Success. Please put the original key close to the program remote and press any button. So we're gonna take it and press here. Please insert the ignition key into the hierarchy. He asks us to put the key inside. We press OK. Now basically what we do now, because we have the password, we're gonna take the password from this key and generate it here. Now is this ignition key is a smart key? No. Okay. Please put the blank key close to the programmer and press any button. Please insert the blank key into the IR keyhole. Amazing. Waiting. Generate key file. Transfer everything to this key. Please insert the blank key into the IR keyhole on the programmer. It's already here. We press OK. Detecting key. Writing key file. You can see key adding completed. After pressing OK, check if the new key can be used normally according to the instructions. Amazing. We take the blank key, we press OK, and we put the key again in the ignition, and I don't know if you can see. Oh, the AIS make a noise. Now we turn the ignition on, no problem. And now we check if we start the car. Bravo. Amazing. We can take the hazard off. We can go out with both of the keys. I'm gonna do a test. This one is working. Amazing. This one is working as well. This one is a little bit slowly, but both of the keys working. Key generate complete and success. Alright, when you finish, just don't forget to close everything as it was before, like a puzzle. No power, everything must go back to the place that it was before. We took out 2 screws. I'm gonna make sure we put it back. Aha! Amazing. Here, that's 2 keys working.
Oh, 2 keys work? Okay.
Let's try it out.
It's called parking for. Let me guess, push start don't work?
Nah.
I didn't think so.
You know why?
These keys don't have push start capabilities.
And only the dealer can do the push to start.
Yeah, that's fine. This is fine. This is fine. I just want to be able to get in and get out.